Okay, so Renault Master here. You can quite see it at the front. They've converted it to a horse box. It's 2005. The indicators aren't working on the one side. Sort of had a look around, tracing some wires and bulbs. And we've come down to the actual switch. That's the problem. So, switch being on the stalk. So this is a stalk here. And I think all it is, it holds the actual cowling around the stalk is these two bolts in there underneath. So I can whip them out quickly. Okay, so using a T20 torque, just anti-clockwise wind them both out, and then it drops off to leave you with this bit. As we can see the stalk there now. So now figure out how we take that out. Okay, so I just got the bottom cowling off, took the top one off. Actually just lifts off really easy. And you can see on top here. Now I'm pretty sure there should be a bolt there, but there's not. And I don't know why. Someone's had this problem before maybe, that's why it's come to us. So anyway, we can try and move the rest of the switch. In fact, the new one, to be honest, the switch does look really old and worn out. So anyway, okie doke. I hope I can do this. It's a bit awkward. Looks like down here on the switch there is a tab here. You can see that top. There's another tab right underneath, just here. You can see that. Get the torch. And it is just there. Little tab there. Tab there, tab at the bottom. Pretty sure it pops out then. So there we go. Okey-doke. So that tab out. Start to come. The bottom one. It really is dark in here. And out of focus. Focus, damn you. Torch back a bit. There. Anyway. Okay. This is the other tab at the bottom. Right down. Lift it up even. Pull it out. Out it pops, hopefully. Why is there such terrible focus on this thing? Okay, look. It's better. The focus went all the way. So, bottom tab here. Top tab I think I showed you in a bit of the video. We'll wiggle it out. And there it is. So now we unplug that, put the new one in. Okay, well I've got the new one now, so we're just going to fit that to that plug. It is as simple as that. Very easy. Right. So, and this one hands will have to pause it. So to release the plug, there's 2 tabs either side. Push this in. To the other side. It pops out. One on the floor. The new one and back in. That's it. Now put the back in the slots. There you go, popped in. That's it now, so just put the cowling on and it's all done. Just check that they work. Have the keys. It's taking a lot longer than I thought. Right. We are working in. There you go.